One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you is a 1972 Nova 350. It's a 4-door, and actually, the 4 doors are pretty rare nowadays. They chopped up all the 4 doors, save all the 2 doors, and you don't see a 4-door very much more in these. So, for whatever that's worth, super clean car. All right, I came up to the river. I just wanted to get some video and pictures of it by the river. It's a beautiful day. River looks nice. Car looks super nice next to the river. Just like that. That's pretty much the thought process of how we've arrived here. But nice car. Give you just yet another light to see it in. It shows well, man. It is a really fine automobile. Very original. It's had a lot of brand new upgrades and stuff. It's got a new exhaust going all the way out. It's got a new gas tank. Been a lot of things done to it, and it's super clean. I'll kind of give you a once around here. Then I'll go up close and I'll show you any minor flaws and things like that. It's got a nice set of tires. I mean, there's just not anything bad to say about it. It's a clean Nova. So, Nathan, 406-546-8748. Reach me anytime. Oneownercarguy.com. There should be about 60, 80 pictures of it on there. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment. There's little chips. Little chips. All kinds of little bitty chips. A little bit of corrosion there starting. No rust through or anything like that anywhere. Got a big old crack there on that part. Pretty few chips though. Must have been on a gravel road or something. Sides are really clean. Not really all dinged up. The trim is a little bit, the tape behind it is coming off. Just a little bit off right there. As far as dings go, there's a couple little dings in it. Tiny little dings. Super straight. I'll try and give you a look both ways here. Wheel wells and everything, super clean. Maybe look under the car here. And I didn't show you into the front, did I? Let's do that before I forget. Alright, chrome's in good shape. Starting to get a little thin right there. Other than that, it's not all dinged up or anything. The paint around the bezels, the light bezels, is kind of fading over time. That's a little off and there's not a screw in it. Oh, it's cracked right there. It's supposed to have that piece. So, that's that. Back when you actually have stainless wipers, and these look good too, man. Someone replaced that. They just absolutely had to. Nice mirrors. Nice chrome going down the sides. The roof is good. There's just little chippies in places. Overall, paint's really nice. There's just some marks here. Maybe there's a clear coat. So it's starting to go. But it's in good shape. The chrome back here is really nice. That doesn't remind me. I think I showed this. You get to just, oh, new exhaust, new tank. Ding right there. And I'll show you in the trunk later. Going down the sides, it's a straight car. A little bit of fading on the black in between there. Some more scratchy chips. Small here and there. And as far as dings, there's a ding there, a tiny one there. And there's one right here. And there's right here. A little scratch there. Like I say, wheel wells and everything on this bad boy are in great shape. Show you under here one. Standing around. Awful nice car. Okay, so I will show you the interior next, and then we'll go for a test drive, and I'll show you under the hood. Under the hood is in great shape, and it has air conditioner, which is kind of cool. No pun intended. Pretty stinking stock, man. This thing is just pretty pristinely stock. Well, not pristinely, I mean, obviously you have tarnish and different things that are going on with it, but it's a great example. It's in great shape. New fuel pump down there. New alternator. So, that's the deal on this. Now you've seen under the hood, and it is actually a 350 car. So, that's that. Inside the trunk looks great. It's not rusty or anything. Super clean. Still got the original speckle coat. Yeah. This part over here looks good too. Looks like somebody sprayed something on it to try and keep it from corroding or something. I'm not really sure. Let me move this tire for you too. I mean, it's not rusted there. So, it's very clean. I think that's showing up clearly. Very clean. The weather stripping is cracked up, kind of flaking away a little bit. It's still there, but it's just got hard over the years and such. Underneath the deck lid looks great. It's a nice car. Interior, it's in great shape. Nice black interior with door panels looking good. A little chunk out of it right there. I honestly believe this car has 84,000 miles. There's not much wear on the pedal. There's tape on it or something. Oh, I don't know. But there's not much wear on it. It's freaking old, I mean. But there's no wear on the base floor. Pedals. The steering wheel's in good shape. And a couple little cracks in the plastic. Dash. The dash is in spectacular shape. No cracks or anything. It's got this here custom duct tape vinyl repair. Little tear here. A little tear here. More custom duct tape repair over there. Headliner is in good shape. Looks good. The light ain't coming on, so it's probably got a bulb that's out. And oh, factory AC. It's got a nice CD player, but it doesn't have speakers in the door panels there. So you know. It doesn't even look like the back seat ever been set in. It really doesn't. It is just a overall clean car. Rear package tray looks nice. This guy was Mr. Custom Duct Tape, I'll tell you that much, and it looks good. But seat belts on the roof. Nathan 406-546-8748. Tear in the seat right there. There's tape. This bad boy is not on there. So I'm gonna leave that. So the window is not rolling down on this side. Looks good. Very original, very clean car. I showed you underneath all the new exhaust and everything. I mean, selling this was somebody's baby. Baby. Yeah, the dash is in great shape. Okay, that is the interior. We'll go for a test drive now. This one has tape over it also. So the gentleman was trying to tell us something. It needs a little bit of repair on the window there. I could do this for you if you want. I just try to bring these things as cheap as we can to market. Anything we add to them costs more money. A lot of people like to do this kind of stuff themselves. Some people don't. Just let me know, and we'll do it if you don't want to. Wheels are in great condition. They really is a nice car. All right, the sun came out for just a little while. It's been a really weird time because the whole other side of the hill is on fire over there. Pretty crazy. But for a little while, we got some light, so I wanted to show you the car while you had some sun on it. It's good looking. It's good looking in the sunny part. It's good looking at the shady time. Really interesting color. Kind of an olive green almost, metallic. But there's just a different look for you right there. I'm gonna take it down by the river too. Vlad wanted to come out and be in the video somehow, so here he is on the Nova. To be quite honest, I really believe this car has original 84,000 miles on it. I don't believe there's 184,000 miles on this car. The floor is too clean. It's just too clean. Of course, I can't prove this. It's a 5-digit odometer. It is what it is, but my just gut feeling is that it's an original 84,000 mile car. It's just, there's no wear on the floor. The wheel's in good shape. I mean, it's clean. And I just don't think there's 200,000 miles on those seats. Right here by the trim, you can see there's a chip. A little bit of corrosion, just darting just a teeny bit right there. And I want to show you something on the back. Miscellaneous chipping right behind the bumper. Try and zoom in. A couple chips by the door here, and that right there, it just seems like it might have been repaired. And this here, you can see some little bit of just damage basically. I think it has been repaired at some point. Somebody has repaired a hole underneath the driver's side right there. All the rest looks good. Just want to make sure you see everything about it. Okay, this thing starts up so nice and easy. Pretty sweet. With that, we're gonna get out on the road, and I'm gonna take this thing down to the river today to get some extra pictures. It runs, drives, and shifts really good. The tires, they have some flat spots in them, so they're a little bit out of, kind of bounce around a little bit when you get much above 55 or 60. So I just haven't really taken it real fast. I don't think they're gonna blow apart or nothing, but I do think the car should have a set of tires. And I never replace tires because some people have their favorite brands or what have you. I want to make sure that you get what you want. You get the warranty. This right here, wing window, is a little broken. It hangs open a little bit. But down shifts and goes, man. Up shifts just fine. You can hear a little bit of squeaking sometimes. Trees are down everywhere from this huge storm we've had. Drives nice. Straight and true. Everything. Guy gets those tires replaced, it'll be really nice. Sun visors all work and they've been redone. Somebody redid the headliner and the sun visors in this for sure. Fun car to drive. Everybody looks at it, that's for sure. Squeak in there is from the tires having flat spots. I mean, it just kind of shakes a little bit, but it does shift and drive smoothly. All right, I came up to the river. I just wanted to get some video and pictures of it by the river. It's a beautiful day. River looks nice. Car looks super nice next to the river, just like that. That's pretty much the thought process of how we've arrived here. But nice car. Give you just yet another light to see it in. It shows well, man. It is a really fine automobile. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Call anytime. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And we'll talk to you.